Take turmeric at night before bed in this way, and you won't dispense with it for the rest of your life. A magical drink that will change your life for the better with these many amazing benefits, but provided that it's prepared and taken as we will mention in this video. Before we start, if you have taken turmeric, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos, and if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. What happens when you take turmeric at night? Turmeric has been used since ancient times to treat many different diseases and enhance the health of the body. Most of the benefits of turmeric are due to it containing a compound called curcumin, which is a powerful compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. This compound also has antioxidant properties in addition to the nutrients found in turmeric such as healthy fibers, proteins, calcium, iron, and zinc. We will talk about what has been proven by recent studies about the benefits of turmeric, which provides many health benefits to the human body, which vary according to the way it is used. There are many ways to take turmeric based on the reason for use and the benefit you want to obtain. We'll also talk about how to prepare a wonderful cup of turmeric that everyone can drink, whether children or adults, sick or healthy. The health benefits of turmeric. Firstly, enhancing testosterone. Scientific research indicates the positive effect of turmeric in increasing testosterone, the male hormone, by stimulating the genes responsible for increasing levels of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels in the arteries, which increases blood flow and enhances sperm. Also, the phytochemical compounds found in turmeric, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, have the ability to fight prostatitis and prostate enlargement. The best use of turmeric to boost testosterone is to boil a cup of milk and add to it a small spoonful of turmeric. Stir well and then take it at night, an hour before bed. Secondly, regulating blood sugar levels. The health of diabetics depends greatly on lifestyle and diet, as curcumin, an active compound in turmeric, improves the function of beta cells, which helps produce insulin in the pancreas to control blood sugar levels as it works to protect healthy cells in the pancreas from oxidation. It also helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance, which leads to lowering the level of glucose in the blood. All you have to do is put half a spoonful of turmeric in a boiling cup of water, then put half a teaspoon of honey, stir well, and drink it at night. Third, improving brain functions. Studies have shown that the curcumin compound found in turmeric has an effective role in preventing the occurrence of Alzheimer's disease by removing deposits resulting from the accumulation of beta-amyloid protein between brain cells that cause Alzheimer's. This compound also stimulates stem cells to produce new brain cells and also supports brain health in general by helping to remove the accumulation of fatty substances in the brain and improve the flow of oxygen to it, which improves memory. All you have to do is boil a cup of milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and leave it until it cools. Then add a teaspoon of black pepper, stir well, and drink it at night. Fourth, support liver health. Turmeric contains components that have antioxidant properties that protect the liver from toxins. It also has a role in protecting the liver from damage resulting from taking medications for a long time and reduces the accumulation of fat in the liver in people with fatty liver disease. It also protects against cirrhosis. It has an effective role in combating liver cancer as it works to inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells. Fifth, it reduces anxiety and depression. Turmeric makes you feel happy and reduces feelings of depression and anxiety, as the curcumin found in turmeric can affect many of the body's systems related to the causes of depression. More than one scientific study in which a group of depressed people participated has confirmed that taking turmeric twice daily for a period of 6 weeks enhances the release of serotonin and dopamine as they contribute to regulating mood, improving sleep, and feeling happy, which improves the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Sixth, burning fat and losing weight. Turmeric helps in the process of fat metabolism, weight loss, and slimming the abdomen. It also helps stimulate the gallbladder to increase the secretion of bile in the body, which has the largest role in burning fat, which helps lower blood sugar levels and reduce cell resistance to insulin, which is responsible for increasing fat storage. 7th, alleviating bone pain. Many studies have appeared that have begun to point out the positive role that turmeric plays when it comes to bone and joint health. It's been found that using turmeric regularly reduces the chances of bones losing important minerals that maintain their mass and size. Therefore, it plays a major role in preventing osteoporosis as well. It's one of the natural analgesics that help prevent joint and bone pain in particular and accelerate the healing of bones, especially those that have been fractured, as it works to relieve the pain of broken bones in addition to stimulating the formation of new bone cells at the site of the fracture. 8th, strengthening the immune system. Turmeric enhances the health of the immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties that work to inhibit the activity of proteins that cause inflammation in the body. It also regulates the functioning of the immune system and fights microbes and tumors. 9th, promoting skin health. Turmeric contains substances that help it lighten the skin naturally. It also helps strengthen blood circulation in the areas of the skin where it's applied, so it's very important and useful in getting rid of dark circles around the eyes, fighting acne and scars left by pimples, and also fighting various skin diseases such as eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, skin cancer, and vitiligo. The best use of turmeric in these cases is to mix a teaspoon of honey with a teaspoon of turmeric. Add a few drops of lemon juice, distribute the mixture on your skin, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash it well after that with water. 10th, improving the digestion process. The content of turmeric of various nutritional elements, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents, contributes to facilitating the digestion process by stimulating the production of stomach enzymes to digest food. Turmeric is also one of the natural substances that are alkaline in nature, as it contains alkaline compounds that neutralize stomach acidity, thus reducing gastric reflux, which occurs as a result of the reflux of stomach acids and secretions into the esophagus. It also relieves stomach pain and reduces disorders that occur in the stomach, such as diarrhea, gas, and nausea. The turmeric content also contributes to alleviating the symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome. The best recipe for preparing a healthy drink from turmeric. To benefit from the benefits of turmeric, it's preferable to take it at night before going to sleep. Boil 2 cups of water and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Leave the mixture to calm for 10 minutes, then filter the water from the turmeric and take a cup of it. It is worth noting that you can add some other ingredients to this drink, such as honey to add some sweetness to it, or lemon or ginger to add additional flavor and health benefits that enhance this drink. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinions in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.